Alright, y'all, it's every penny counts. I got a cash out app for y'all. This is called Receipt Pal. The link will be in the description to sign up and get started with this. Another app you're just getting paid to scan receipts. I mean, there's so much money in receipts that people don't really realize that, you can just continue to let add up. You know what I'm saying? Small amounts do become great amounts when you stay consistent. All right, so it's very simple to use this app. I'm going to show you here. All you do is scan the receipts. Every receipt is equal to 25 points. Basically, 100 points is equal to 5 cents. So when you get 4 receipts, you'll get 100 points, and then it'll go to your balance. All right, so you can do this like every day. Every receipt that you get, it will max out throughout a week, but it's like you have to have like so many receipts for it to max out. But like I said, you just scan the receipt. Doesn't matter, how you paid for it, how much money you spent, nothing like that. Just make sure you have all the information that you have, like as far as how much you spent, the date and the time. And when you scan receipts, make sure you have the date that is, that they're accepting. So you don't want to have something from September 20th, up here, because they're not accepting that. They'll send you a message saying this receipt is expired. So, like I said, it's very simple to use, not difficult. Like I said, the link will be in the description to sign up. I have 2,250 points. Actually cash out real quick. If I go down to rewards right here, it'll show you what I can get. Actually equal to $5 Amazon or retail gift card. If I want to go level 2, get 4,000 points, I get $10, $9,250, $25. So you can go a little higher with Amazon, again, $50 to 100. But like I say, it's still paying. I've been using this for a while now. Just every receipt that you get, just scan it. I mean, it really does add up. So I'm going to click here on a retail gift card, and it'll show me things that I can get. It'll kind of let you choose which ones they have. These are some of them. Just example. Click redeem. Are you sure you want to redeem your points? Yes. Your reward will be emailed to you shortly. And basically, they're going to send me a Visa gift card. That's what they usually send me. If you want to go Amazon, they give you that. But when it comes to the retail gift cards, I have it set in there for Visa gift cards. You can actually choose if you want, Walmart or Target or other different gift cards. But I have mine preset. Like I said, it's very simple app to use, y'all. Just scan your receipts, let your money pile up. Usually you throw receipts away anyway. So why not get paid to actually, use this app right here? So like I said, if you really want to interested in making money, this is one of the apps you need to use. Also subscribe to my channel, because I'm constantly showing you guys new ways to make money. I'm showing you cash out videos, tutorials, all that kind of different stuff, just to show you that it's very easy to make money online. You just have to be willing to put in the work. It's not difficult at all. You just have to have the effort, you have the desire to do it. Everybody wants extra money, and this is an opportunity for you to actually provide that to yourself without having to take any of your own money out of your own account, or things like that. So you don't have to put any money into this. All you're doing is signing up for stuff, doing what they're asking you, and getting paid. Very simple. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos, which is all the time, all showing you guys how to make money online for free. All right, so this is a Receipt Pal cash out. Like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up. You will start out with I'm not sure how many points. I think it's 200 points that you'll start out with, 200 to 250, something like that. So definitely use the link in the description, the code, and all that good stuff, and start making money scanning receipts. All right, so that's it for this video. And always remember, every penny counts.